Hello, in this lecture we are going to learn about the offset command. We have some p-sketch drawing on our screen. One is circle, other one is rectangle, ellipse, and some combination of polyline and a single line. These are some existing curves which we are seeing on our screen. So what is all about offset? Offset is nothing but a command which will create a copy of these structures inside or outside. That means, suppose we are taking offset. Now it is asking offset, specify offset distance. It is asking about the offset distance, means at what distance you want to create the same copy of this object inside or outside of this pre-existing sketch. There are three sub options: throw, erase and layer. Now we are taking the basic concept of this offset. By default it is showing the offset distance is 2. Now I am increasing this distance up to 4 units. Then I am pressing enter. Now offset distance has been changed to 4. Now it is asking about the offset. Select object to offset. Which object you want to offset? Suppose I want to offset this object. Now it is asking about the specify point on side to offset. Means either you want to offset this side or this side. So you have to choose the side, or you have to click on the side where you want to create the offset of the pre-existing sketch. Suppose I want to sketch from this side, so I am clicking here, left click. Now I am zooming. Now I can easily see a new copy has been created on the required side of the drawing. Now again we are also in command. Again it is asking about the object. I am selecting this. It is again asking the same thing, side to offset. Now I am clicking here, this side again. Now I have created two offset copy of this middle drawing, one and another side. I am still in command, so I am using this same value in this circle. So selecting the curve, it is asking the same thing, inside or outside. I am saying inside, and click inside the circle, left click, and it will create distance. Now I am skipping. I am coming out of the command and changing the value of offset. Now click on offset. I am changing the value, say 6, then enter. Now I am selecting this curve, inside or outside, inside, outside. There are two options. I am going outside of the rectangle. Again ellipse, selecting inside or outside. Inside, click inside, it will create a copy inside. Now this is the combination of the lines, polylines especially. In this command there is a requirement that the whole geometry should be selected in a single click. That's why it is giving select objects rather than objects. That means it considers only single object at a time. So this structure is created by the polyline command, so that it is not in segment form, it is a single curve. Now I am selecting this. It is asking inside or outside. I am taking inside. Click here, and you can easily draw the same structure inside the pre-existing curve. Now I have created all the offset copy of all the curves. Again I am taking offset. The very first command is sub option is through. Now I am taking through. Say T, then enter. It is asking the same thing. Select object to offset. I am saying this. I am taking the last option, last drawing. And for the selection of object, I am taking inside structure. Now it is giving me the facility to create the same curve, scaled curve, outside or inside the geometry, and it will automatically changing the structure according to the distance away or away from the original drawing. So I am clicking here. So what is happening here? Through command or through option, sub option is giving facility to create a new curve at any distance from the original curve. It is not asking about the distance. You need not to give the parameter value or say numeric value in the prompt. So you only required a point. This is the work of the offset through. This is the role of offset.